Dear friends, let's see the raw material used for our jobs and various tools used for our job. This is the right angle, marker tool, center punch, steel rule, rough file, square section file, triangular file, and other finishing files. Hacksaw blade, hammer. These are the various fitting tools that we are going to use. Now the working drawing of job number 1 and job number 2. This drawing is made in a CAD software and it is very accurate, and referring to this drawing we are going to perform the job, and marking is done on the job with black marker. Now first primary two sides are to be cut for job number 1 with the hacksaw blade. We are preparing the length of 43 mm and height of 27.5 mm. Then we are cutting the profile with the help of hacksaw blade that we have earlier marked. We will leave some portion that is known as the allowance for finishing operation. See, the profile is okay, and rest of other portion we will cut with the help of hacksaw blade. This is job number 1. Now the primary profile for job number 1 is just to be complete. We are following the drawing. Let's cut it properly. It will take some time. Now see, the rough cutting is completed. Now flat file is used for roughing operation, and flat finish file is used for finishing operation. Now the flat portion is done. Now we are preparing for 43 mm length, measuring with the help of vernier caliper for accurate measurement. We are also referring the drawing. See, the first job is now about to complete. Now right angle is also used for measuring the right angles, 90 degree. See, the file should be used horizontal to the ground, that is in the horizontal plane. Otherwise the job will not fit accurately. So 90 degrees should be maintained while manual filing. Alternatively, we are using roughing file and finishing file as per the excess of material. See, now we are just about to complete the length, and rest of other portions we are using the square section rough file for removing the excess material. Carefully measuring and checking the dimensions as per our drawing. So square section file, due to its 90 degree, it is very helpful for 90 degree preparation of the surfaces. Now the triangular file is also used for finishing operation and removing the cornering effect due to the 90 degree corners. So cornering effect generally restricts the matting of the surfaces. So steel rule of 6 inch is also used. Again, rough section file, square section file is used. Triangular file is also used. So this process is done repeatedly until we reach to the final dimension, and all the dimensions should be matched as per our drawing. Now we are just completing the first job. Now job number 2 is marked as per the drawing. See, the black marker is used for it. In the similar manner, the job number 2 is also cut and finished, and it is matched with the first job. So matting of both the parts is done. We cannot see any gap between the fitting of both the parts, job number 1 and job number 2, and final finishing is done on the glass paper. Completed the finishing of both the parts. These type of other examples are done by fitting. That's all for today's session. Have a nice day.